This video, I will show you how to set up a custom notification sound on Telegram for the Android version. So simply, all you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first, go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store, all you have to do is to make sure that your Telegram is up to date. So search up Telegram, and once you do it, the Telegram will show over here, and all you have to do is to check that whether it's up to date or not. So once you've done that, go to your Telegram application and hover over it. Long press it and you will see the app information icon on the top. So simply click that. Here you will see a notification. Simply click on notifications. And in the notifications, you will see different sort of channels that I have. For example, for me, if I want to change the notification sound for this channel, I have to click on the default. And on the default, here you will see sound and sound name that I'm using currently. If I go ahead and click on the sound, I'll be able to change the ringtone. Here you guys can see that I can change the ringtones according to my personal preferences. So that way you'll be able to use it as well. So if I go and select this ringtone and press OK, the ringtone will be applied. So this is how you guys can use it. I hope you find this video helpful.